Let go. ट्रेन था.
Now you got me out in the deep.
Alrighty, I was just editing the Chandigarh and Shimla vlog that we shot last year, same time, July 1st week. So I thought I'll narrate it a bit to make it more like a vlog. Okay, let's go. So the trip, it was actually not a trip, it was all of a sudden. I had to travel to Chandigarh for my work. I took the flight from Hyderabad to Chandigarh.
When you burn me out like a cigarette.
I met some celeb who was sitting right beside me. She had like some 200k followers. She said she's a celeb, some dancer. And then we landed in Chandigarh.
Don't know where we headed for next. Maybe we should get lost in this.
Then guess what? Deepa showed up. Deepa, my wifey, showed up in Chandigarh. Because she had some lean time. She didn't wanted to stay back in Hyderabad. She came to Chandigarh. Huh? Okay, take two. Guess what? Deepa surprised me. Deepa showed up in Chandigarh. Came and then we thought we'll explore Chandigarh and go to Shimla. So next day we started exploring Chandigarh. We couldn't find much places. We went to some Gurudwara which we didn't shoot. Oh, we didn't go to Gurudwara, no? Chandigarh, no? No. Take three. We started exploring Chandigarh. We went to Sukhna Lake.
You tease me and you touch me. I'm going crazy about it. Keep saying that it's nothing.
Very pretty lake. It's very well maintained. There was a nice pathway for joggers, runners, skateboarders. It was such a happening place.
I'm losing all my cool. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us. Got me breaking all my rules. It's only me.
Really?
Hi, Maggie.
Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us. Yeah, tell me lies like you mind. Crazy out of time flies. We begin to sky high. So what? Hey, no rush. Hey, turning lights out. Do you wanna level up? Baby, let me fill your cup. We'll be out of here. Do you wanna take it slow? Just let me know. You tease me and you touch me. I'm going crazy about it. Keep saying that it's nothing. So tell me what to do. I'm losing all my cool. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us.
Yeah, it was a slow leisure kind of a day. We explored Sukhna Lake, came back, then we went to Elante Mall. I think that's one of the top-notch malls in Chandigarh.
Breaking all my rules. It's only me.
Did some shopping, chota mota. Most of them was window shopping. Then we explored the mall, and that's it for that day.
Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us.
Then next morning we planned a sudden trip to Shimla. First we thought how do we go? Then we explored options. We got to know that there are a lot of buses that goes to Shimla from Chandigarh and very frequent. We booked one of the buses, got to know that there is no sleeper buses for the Himalayan roads. Yeah, so we booked a semi sleeper. It was a great bus.
बोल रहा है कि फिजूल खर्च लग रहा है.
Off we go to Shimla.
Yeah, now you got me out in the deep. Feeling I'll be wrapped around your neck. When you burn me out like a cigarette. Yeah, drifting in the city, no sleep. Don't know where we headed for next. Maybe we should get lost in a sweet escape.
Yes, then after 10 seconds we reached Shimla. We took the lift to the topmost of Shimla Mall Road. Then we started exploring all the Hunsuk Wangdu stuff. We had some street food.
यार शिमला में मॉल रोड में होटल ही होता है।
होटल नहीं है पूरे?
होटल है, मार्केट है, घर है थोड़े से।
Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us. Got me breaking all my rules. It's only me and you. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us.
Then we explored few hotels, got a nice hotel, we checked in, changed, and then started again to explore the mall road.
Tell me lies like you.
The view was amazing. It was already evening back then, so we didn't go to the top. We casually roamed around on the mall road, and the sunset was lovely. As usual, Deepa did some shopping, and then we were done for the day.
We begin to get high. So what? Hey, no rush, hey. Turning lights out. Do you wanna level up?
The hotel had a good outdoor where we thought we'll sit for some time, then work struck, and then we started working for some time. Not the office work, obviously.
Baby, let me fill your cup, we'll be out of here. Do you wanna take it slow? Just let me know. You tease me and you touch.
Then went to sleep. That's it. Good night for that day.
I'm going crazy about it. Keep saying that it's nothing.
Then next day, woke up, checked out. It was just one night, 2-day trip to Shimla. The next day we woke up. It was a great, lovely morning with a lovely landscape view of Shimla. We checked out.
So tell me what to do. I'm losing all my cool. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us.
We went on to the top of Christchurch, the topmost part of Shimla.
It's only me and you. Feeling like ain't nobody else around us. Ain't nobody else around us. Yeah.
Let's go on the top. Christ Church है. Okay, nice. Very good talk. We are going up. ऊपर जा रहे हैं. Christ Church है और थोड़ा और कुछ है वो देख लेंगे. Bye. The same place where Rancho was caught by silencer. कितने का 35 सब आए बोलो
YouTube पे आ जाओगे आप लोग।
आओगे सच्ची मैडम?
यूट्यूबर है ये।
मेरा नाम है राणा संदीप सिंह. So the architecture that you see, a few interesting points about Shimla is it is a British-made hill station. Britishers built the topmost or the architecture. It is considered as their summer capital. People used to come there during the summer time for a vacation and then used to go back. Then post exploring Shimla, we headed out. We planned to take the bus, but before that, we wanted to hit the most beautiful temple near Shimla, which is called the Tara Devi temple. It's a beautiful temple situated on a big hilly mountain. We wanted to go there for sure. Almost 250 years old temple on the Tara Parvat. It's way top on the hill. It's almost 7,200 feet above the sea level is what I know. Alright, after Tara Devi temple we left Shimla, we went to Chandigarh, and from there back to Hyderabad. That's it on this vlog. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.